Hi, in this video, I'm going to tell about if someone asks when you're working in warehouse management, whether it is ECC warehouse management or S4HANA stockroom management, you get a question that when I want to know the storage bin history from the go live date. The history means the business wanted to know that one, what are the different type of materials or stored in this bin from the go live to today, or else from last 10 days because they got some kind of a shortage. They want to verify what materials were stored and there was some damage happened. Any other material has made this damage. They want to analyze it. Just taken one example. So which SAP standard report is going to help you to get the entire bin history report I'm going to teach you today. That is the regular, what you are using for open transfer orders and all, LT22. So LT22, you can utilize for getting the history based on your storage bin. So give the warehouse number and storage type 001. And let's take an example 010103. Okay. This is the storage bin. And while running this one, select all TO items, or else you can select only confirmed TO items so that you will get all the moments which happened confirmed. And if you give only source, system will show you that one from that bin, what are the stock went out only, but you want to get the what in and what out, both you can get it here. And you can give the date range. Okay. So for example, business is asking from 01/06/2024 to and 15/06/2024. You can give the same time or the date details, then execute it. You can see here. So what all things happen? Source bin, destination. See, there was a stock of this material. It moved to this bin, and some other stock was it went from this one to this one. So you can see here destination bin. From this bin, there was some stock of this material was moved, 95 quantity, and from some other bin, 7 quantity of the same material was added on the date, the transfer order. If you click on the transfer order, you can see the details of who created and all. Okay. So for example, if you want to have in the same report, that also we can get it. You can go to this one. Okay. Here, go to Control F, creation time, create user, confirmation date. Here we have confirmation date, time, user. So we can use the other fields, confirmation date, confirmation time, user. Okay, you can see here confirmation date and all, creation time, creation user, creation date. So these things, this is already created on creation time and the user, confirmation date, time and user. So this is about how you can create one layout for them. I think there was some unwanted data. Let us remove that. So we will arrange a nice layout also for the business. So where is the creation date? Just now we have seen, right? Created on this one is not required. Creation time user, confirmation date, time user. We will just take the created on. Okay, confirmation date, user and all. So this created on, yeah, creation date is in the line 2. We can do this one, creation time and user. We'll move back to right hand side. Here we can add it. Creation time and user. Okay, so here we got the details here. Created on creation time and user. So all the information, this is confirmation date, time and user. So now I'm going to save this variant. Maybe I can create best layout with all the details. User specific and everyone can use it. Next time onwards, they can do. So layout is saved. And also we can use that business to save this layout, jet best. Okay. So we can save a variant for them. Bin history. Okay. Bin history with all details. So create a variant. So in this video, what we learned, how to create a variant, how to change the layout and how to utilize for the bin history details. So next time onwards, as an user, I come here, LT22 and go here, the variant bin history I selected. I got the my layout. I got required details and all. What I need to do, I have to change the bin which I want, and I have to change the date based on my requirement and then execute it. So that whatever the layout we designed, the same layout has come with the clear details to the business. I hope in this video, you learned few generic things, not just specific to this report, how to create a variant and how to change the layout and how to utilize for your business requirements, not to have a more dependency on IT or the senior people in the company. They can run their reports on their own, how to manage it. So I hope